We have reached it, the final episode for today on Fine Music, episode number 788, the infamous torture episode where I torture my good friends with music from my torture device, which I'll bring up right now. There it is. And today's torture letter is, I think we were last on N. I've been collecting some 70s music, so I'm going to definitely get back to that. But where's that little arrow? There it is. So we kind of covered N, although there's a few more. And O is
hmm
not too plentiful, and P, it could be O and P even. So what should we do? You want to revisit N, or we could do the no episode, N and O, or we could do OP episode for all those surfers out there. You
What
know,
what what
there
was
used to be a
N?
brand of clothing
What
called
else?
OP, Ocean Pacific, back in the
What
80s.
are what's the N that we missed?
Well, okay.
The letter N?
Let me position this so I can actually use the arrows. There we go. Okay. So everybody knows Nirvana already. We don't have to cover that. There's Narcoleptic Choir, Nilfane, No Artificial Sweeteners. Those
Oh my
three.
gosh.
We already did
Narcoleptic
Noble Knuckle.
choir?
But Don, that
Yeah,
song
yeah.
Dallas, something we haven't heard that song before, right?
What's on?
That group.
What
What
group?
the song Dallas
Oh
something, the
no,
song
that's
was called Dallas.
70s group.
So we
You want
can't
to do
listen to
that
that.
instead? You want to do that instead? Because like it's all
I,
hip on us right
that
now.
song is pretty cool. I would love to hear it again.
All right, we'll
Like
do that.
you're
We'll do
happy.
that. I want to please,
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I want to please and torture at the same time. So we'll head over to this discovery that was just discovered yesterday. I shared it with Marvin, and he dug it as much as I did. A very little known band called Cheese. So they're pretty
Cheese?
cheesy, huh?
Oh,
They made
This
one album
song is cool, man.
in a very
I love
interesting
it.
year, 1977, a year when there were many musical influences going on in terms of genres. And so this one, as you can see from the description, it's pop rock, funk and soul, all four. And Marvin and I can vouch it is all four.
I love it.
Something from what song you want to hear, Marvin?
Dallas.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So we'll do some of that and then maybe one or two others. So cheese is getting a start treatment today. Just gonna
Thank
check my
you.
sound setting real quick, make sure it's sharing. It is. Okay. Dallas it is by request.
all right. Well, you're driving down Lemon Avenue, and you're wondering just what you're gonna do. Well, you might stop in some nice spot that's really hot, 'cause your light goes alive. Friday night is Friday night, you look down at your feet and your shoes are shined up just right. Feeling good, just like you should. Looking for some woman that you think would. Dallas, Dallas, come Saturday night. Dallas, Dallas, makes everything right. Well, the sun sets early in Lee Park. You can see the people grooving at the dock. On the other side of town, everyone wasn't getting down. Is on the other side of town. Big D Gamboree here is stretched out as far as the eye can see.
That's a 1 minute sample. It sounds like another song to me. Does this song sound like any other song to you guys before I say what it is to me?
it rings a bell, but I
Yeah, it
can't
does,
put
doesn't
my
it?
finger on it. It's like if I've heard it somewhere in a movie. I
I got my finger on it, man. You want to hear it?
I
This
think it has. I think it has a Steely Dan kind of tone to it.
could be some of that. Could be some of that. The one that I think of when I hear the song is "Blinded by the Light."
Mm.
You know that
Oh, by
song?
the weekend. Yes.
No, no,
Yeah.
not the Weekend. What the '70s
No,
one?
No,
by
blinded by the
Blinded by the Light.
light.
Oh,
Manfred
sorry.
Mann
I
and
know
the
this.
Earth Band.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
yeah.
got confused with the weekend. Sorry.
Okay. Well, I'm
Yeah.
gonna play a little more and then you'll hear it. Oh no, that's the same one. Same one. Hold on.
In Lee
Go.
Park, you can see it's out of town. Big dick tambourine are stretched out as far as the eye can see.
Springsteen wrote it, right? Blinded by the Light.
Loud to please the crowd. It's happened before
No.
and it's happening now. Dallas, Dallas comes out at night. Dallas, Dallas, the devil they ride. Cowboys still roam this town. They don't ride horses, but they manage to get around. The gallant hats remain the crown of these warriors that protect forever Dallas town. Friday night is Friday night. You look down at your feet and your shoes are tightened up just right.
You hear the parallel? Kind of? Well, maybe it's just me.
I like it. I like it.
So that's
Oh, my.
one song. I don't know if Marvin's heard any other songs in the album because they're all good. They're all different from each other. So give you a taste of a couple more of their songs. I'm gonna go with "I Got Love." 1977, written all over it. This is cool. This sounds like another artist too.
Ooh, when we're together, baby, I can never say no, no, no. 'Cause when you wrap yourself around me, I put my love in overdrive. Got my love working overtime, yeah.
You know I got love.
Got my love working over and over. Well, I'm driving down your highway, baby, and I'm burning up the road.
Loving down your highway, baby, and I'm burning up the road.
We're up the road. That's cool.
But that just sounds like the Bee Gees or something, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what you say was disco though?
Well, there's a little disco in there.
It's a
Yeah.
little
It
disco.
is. It's
Yeah,
like
Saturday Night Fever in there.
Yeah,
it sounds
some
like
punk.
they were trying to get a hit there, for some
Yeah.
radio play.
Yeah. And it
Sure
never,
does.
yeah, it
Charlie.
turns, like he said, it turns out that, yeah, and you know what, the beat, it does have that funk disco feel of it with the Bee Gees, like how they started off earlys.
Yeah.
And yeah,
What's it? More. It sounds like More Than a Woman, a little bit. I mean, not the words, but like the tone.
Oh, more than a woman to me. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do one more. Let's see. Wish I could remember. I think City Life is a bit of a showcase for them instrumentally. Let's try that. Come on, City Life. Yes, listen to the honkies get funkies.
I'm aware of the situation. The people roaming in the rest of the congregation. Religion moves the streets. City life is alright, but you grow up when you have to, not because you want to. City life is alright, but you grow up when you have to, not because you want to.
That's a little bit Steely Dan, yeah.
Yeah.
Right,
Right,
Marvin?
right.
You know what I
Yes.
was picturing in my head of the actress Pam Grier as the character Coffee. She shows
Yeah.
up in New York City. Everything's cool. They're playing this song, beautiful song, and all of a sudden she's kicking all sorts of ass everywhere. It is
She's making
awesome.
religion in the streets.
Yeah, this song
Yeah.
fits perfect. It's just like all in my head.
Well, I can't say anything about success, but I can definitely say that it's getting under my skin.
They
So I
had a
had to
good
share.
sound.
Yeah, one album only.
Oh,
One
that's
album
nice.
only. Wow.
Oh well. Yeah.
Hey, hey, Don, can you, when you're done recording, great song. Sorry.
Okay. That's it for Fun Music this week. Well, actually, stay tuned for Ren's Day. We're gonna go into the love series. That's right. Ren's got a love series. 3 videos.
Oh.
We'll watch those on Ren's Day. Something different, another side of Ren. And Fun Music is not just 900 odd videos on YouTube with almost 1,000 subscribers. We're also a group on Facebook, so check us out on Facebook as well. Right? You can post your finds, we post our finds. You know the story. Okay. Thank you, everybody. I hope we'll see you Wednesday and next week.